Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can change the default browser setting on Windows 11. The default browser is the program that automatically opens with files that are associated with the internet, for example HTML. So maybe you want to change back to your old browser after you've installed a new one. We'll show how to do that, guys. What you want to do is go to the Settings app, right click on the Start button, and then left click on Settings over here, and that's gonna immediately open the Settings app. We're gonna maximize it so we can see better. Today we're looking for Apps here on the left, so we're gonna left click once, and then guys, we want to go to Default Apps, left click. Okay guys, so here in the list we see all the apps that we have installed on the computer, and we can see Firefox over here. We're gonna also try the search function. So this is great if you have a lot of apps installed or you don't want to waste time. Left click to open the settings for Firefox. And here guys, immediately we see the option that says make Firefox your default browser by clicking this button here that says set default. So we're gonna do that with a left click, and as we can see, it immediately changes the HTML association to Firefox and the HTML as well, and for some other protocols over here at the bottom. But we also noticed that Microsoft Edge is still associated with some file types. So that's probably because Windows doesn't put these extensions under the fact that they are associated with the default browser, so to say. So what you want to do maybe is change them manually. To do that, left click on the program that is currently there and just select the program of your choice on this window that appears with a left click, and then click on set default. And you can do that with the other file types as well. It's the same. Alternatively guys, you can change this setting from your browser. So for example, if you open Microsoft Edge, you have this option here on the top right, the three buttons. If you left click, you can find the settings in here. And it's the same with any browser. You can have three dots or three lines here on the top right. And then you have the default browser option here in Edge. It could be different in other browsers. And again, we see the option to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. And you have the button here. So we're gonna left click. And that's it guys. If we open Firefox, we can see that it immediately asks us by itself, do you want to make it your primary browser? We're gonna select not now. And you can go in the same way in the three lines at the top right in the setting, and here you have the same option to make Firefox your default browser by clicking this button. Okay guys, that's it in regards to your default browser. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.